Welcome to Makita's cordless outdoor power equipment range, the complete system of high-performance battery-powered tools. With over 40 years of delivering cordless innovation, Makita is changing the way you work outdoors. The system of fast-charging lithium-ion batteries is designed to work seamlessly across the full range of 225 tools. The robust and commercial-grade lawnmower is a workhorse like no other. One charge will mow up to 800 square meters of lawn without taking a break. The multifunctional design allows for bagging or mulching. The cordless blower is the quietest model yet and generates speeds of up to 193 kilometers an hour. With its 6-speed dial, you can control the power to suit the job. Cordless outdoor products are low maintenance compared to petrol tools, meaning less hassle and less effort. Makita's cordless chainsaws are ready to work anywhere, anytime. The direct drive, high-power, brushless motor generates increased torque and delivers unmatched performance and reliability. No cables and no fuel means there's nothing holding you back. Makita's one-click instant start button across the range makes getting stuck into the job easy. The multifunction power head is a versatile piece of equipment like no other. With a range of 10 compatible attachments, you'll always have the right tool for the job. The latest LXT battery technology delivers the runtime and power of traditional tools without the hassles of a petrol machine. Less maintenance, lower noise levels, and zero emissions are at the heart of Makita's cordless technology. With new levels of convenience and efficiency, you'll have more time to get the job done. One system, endless possibilities. Makita, rule the outdoors.